Hello everyone, it is Erin Floda here, and I am here with my July Traveler's Notebook setup. For those that don't know, this is my business Traveler's Notebook. So anything related to my business, Instagram, websites, my design team affiliation, all of that kind of stuff goes into this traveler's notebook. It's a pretty simple setup, but it really helps me to separate things out every single month to kind of have a space to focus on just my business related tasks and things like that instead of in my normal bullet journal where I have a lot of my work and home life tasks. So it has really helped me branching this out. So this is my stained glass kit, which was quite a while ago with my patrons. They always help me develop my sticker kits that are in my shop. They are such a great source of inspiration and really, they really help me go all out when it comes to these kits. And I used a really special texture brush for Procreate where it helps me make that stained glass effect. So I will link the brushes that I used down in the description down below in case you are interested in also working on some sort of stained glass kit. So I have my normal monthly log at the left, on the left hand side, and then my normal master to-do list on the right hand side. On this page, I have my waiting on section. So this is when I am waiting on materials or products from manufacturers. I decided to go with manufacturers, and it's really helped my overall mental health as well as my business and timelines and everything like that, particularly with the stencils. It has been just an absolute game changer, especially because I feel like it's just higher quality in general, because now they are metal stencils. Well, most of my stencils are metal stencils. I do have them separated out into my shop. It's really my most popular stencils. I've converted into metal stencils, and then I'm working on some new designs here and there for some additional metal stencils. So the bottom section is for my monthly review. So this is my social media review, which honestly, I feel like I should give this up because it's really depressing seeing every single month that your social media is going down. It makes you feel like you're not liked, but I know that there's like a whole lot of factors that go into what's happening on social media. For example, if it's Instagram, that algorithm is just freaking terrible. I hate it. And trying to figure out that algorithm or them cleaning up bot accounts or inactive accounts all the time. So it's really difficult. So I have my normal monthly review, and then I have my finances section, which I'm actually really good about my business finances. I am not so good with my regular finances, but my business finances I do fill out every single month. So the top section is for income and the bottom section is for expenses. Oh my gosh, that compass sticker is my absolute favorite sticker that I think I've developed. It is all of the seasons around the compass. So it's like, such a cool effect. And I was really happy that my patrons had suggested that. So if you do want to say in these kits, my patrons have a ton of influence into how I develop these kits. So I will link my Patreon down below in case you want to get stickers every single month and have a say in the sticker kits. So I have my design team, so being part of the design team means that there's some obligations that I have to do every single month as part of the Archer and Olive design team. So I have some important dates, the meeting notes, and to-do tasks associated with all of my duties for Archer and Olive. So now I'm just putting down these checklist stickers for the master to-do list. I think this was one of the first months that I started including foil. So I really wanted to take advantage of that and put foil kind of everywhere. So this was a rainbow shattered glass and a silver shattered glass. I'm having so much fun every single month picking different foils that go with the themes. So I've really enjoyed that aspect of this entire sticker kit development. And so here is the final look. Thank you to my patrons who helped me develop this kit. Thank you to just everyone on here for really supporting my business. It has meant the world to me. And I guess that's it. If you want to keep seeing these types of videos, please like the video. That really influences me when it comes to the decisions I make regarding videos. And subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when my videos are getting posted. And I will see you in my next video on Friday, which is my July plan with me in my new B5 notebook. I'm so excited about it, and I think you all are going to love it. So thank you so much. Bye, everyone.